In this video, I'll show you how to move files on your MacBook. This is the MacBook Air M5, and first you select the files, and if you're coming from Windows, you might expect to use Control X. If you want to move files, but there is no Control X, you copy with Command C, and you can paste and move with Option Command V, or you can use the Command V to simply copy the files. So this is a little bit different than the usual thing, but you can simply select the files as they are. You can click and then shift click to select a few files, and then you can drag and drop with the trackpad to the folder you want them to be moved in. And this is also an option. I prefer to use the trackpad more. I know it's better to use the shortcuts, but I like to use the trackpad only with one hand like this. So if I want to move all these files, I could easily move them. And now I use the Option Command V. For file handling, you use Command C and then Command V to copy. And for moving files, you use Command C and then Option Command V to move files. It's a little bit complicated if you're coming from Windows, but this is only for files. For text, you can use the usual Command X, so you can cut text, but only for files is like this. I believe the file manager in the Mac OS, it's not that great. And yeah, here I'm doing a test. I'm moving a few folders just to see how it is. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.